Come, stuck on me. Careful. Hug northwest. Tell me if where they're bashing ako.
Right here.
May
Yo.
flash sila.
Yo, first food only. First food. Na sila. Careful up doon. Ganun pwesto nila. Dito nga kayo, bandang north. Uy, huwag kayo pupunta dyan. Naraw yan, uy. Pag kayo nabomba dyan, sabihin nyo alibomba. Sila, far south. Bato. Okay. Keeping nga. Careful. Nice cleanse. Careful. Ready. Hit the gate. Careful lang. Careful. Just chilling. Come back now. Ready. Careful. Just
Isang stone to go out.
Yo, stuck on me. Careful, don't need to find go out. Don't get curious, you might die from the bomb squad. Yan na nga, yo.
Flip, mama.
Yeah. Mga naka-invis
Careful of this wet gate.
Guys, careful. Cleanse that camlan, guys. Pag tumayo kayo dito, makakamlan talaga tayo, guys. Tailing mo. You ready over the northeast? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 over the northeast now. Try to catch it. Stabilize now. Chill. Okay, ready guard runes up front, guys. Guard runes. Tangay sa akin. This is the fucking safety net. Again, if they can't bash, they cannot go in. Okay? Careful. Nice hit from the front. You ready, ah? Ready. Hit the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the gate now. Okay, almost come. Hindi siya pumunta agad. Magaling. Hindi siyang magaling.
Southward.
Yo, careful southwest, kids. Careful, easy.
Exit tayo.
Saan si Madis?
This year naka-1
Ako ready ba?
arcade.
Hindi, nahanap ko lang. Okay, overextended. You ready? Hit the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt now. Hit the gate na. Headbutt. Nice hit.
Ready, defensive sa
Nakamak.
Nasa northeast yung bomba.
Okay. One hand, watch nyo dun. One hand, watch northeast.
Nasa northeast na yung bomba.
Okay, sumunod kayo sa comms ni Galvin.
Remote sa akin.
Saan siya? Okay, markado na si J-Pang, ha. Yo, careful. Over the wall, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the gate now. Just hit the gate. Kill this guy. Almost. Come on, push it now. Dip.
Comfort northeast side
Nice step now. Just solve. We have time. Play it slow.
You're taking
Being chilling. Just chill. 4, 3, 2, 1, salis na, salo. So, salis, salo. Nice!
Bomb squad sa Victor. Yo, bomb squad is northeast side.
Sino yun? Kumilan na.
Bomb squad is northeast side, ha?
Makapasok.
They're stuck, they're stuck, they're stuck.
You're ready, ready. Shallow the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the jog. 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 Come back na ako.
Baka hindi ka makapasok dyan, Lip ba?
You're ready. Full engage only ah. Party 1, party 2 on my engage. Okay, party 1, party 2 on my
Bomb
engage.
squad, south.
Likod mo. Careful, careful, careful. Okay. Again, full send first, okay? Mamaya ako na himayin. Full send.
Bomb squad.
Okay, ready. Shallow the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow the gate natin. Pull it now. Pull it now. Shallow the gate now. Pull it now. Nice hit point. Nice hit point. Sila. Macheck ako. Okay. Ready. Maya. Then you ready ah. You're careful. Come back na. Be ready ah. Yo. Overdown notice. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Overdown notice na. Pass. Never mind. Come back na ako. Step front. Don't go out. Stop on me. Play slow. No need to rush. Relax lang. Let's go deep.
Nasa southeast na yung bomb squad.
Okay.
Southeast.
Yung breastplate is nasa east side.
Okay. Stack on me. In fairness, di ako naglalag ah.
Yo, they're jumping around northeast side.
Para siyang in fairness, di ako naglalag.
Thanks. Northeast daw, ah.
Or di pa masyado. Malaki kalaban.
One shot sa south.
24 na lang sila, oh.
Nasa labas.
Nakamarka si J-Pang ah. We headbutt okay, get ready, we headbutt. Napik
Papalit
yung
sila
bomb.
sa
Careful. Ano yung bomb shot? Saan? Sa may south?
They're getting from the east.
Yo. Careful, we watch the bomb shot. Yo, ready. Shallow the gate now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow the gate now. Kill this guy. Nice kill. Come back now. Dip. Guard runes. Cycle guard runes, guys. Cycle Judy. So, play it slow. We play it calmly. We play it diligent.
May nakikita pa kayo sa labas eh.
Going northeast sila.
No need to rush. Okay, look. Watch north now.
Some of them out.
Yeah, watch north now. Okay? Watch north now. Stack.
They're mounting up.
Careful. Yo. They baiting. Come southwest now. They baiting, guys. Come southwest. No need to kick that gate, guys. They're baiting us because we are many and they want fucking open world us. Okay? It's chill. This is being chilling here. Careful. Ready. Over the wall. Northwest. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall now. Head. Come on. Hug the wall pass. Yo, ready. Step front. Careful.
Squad will be hitting.
Careful. Just chill on the wall, guys. Let them bash.
Guys, hindi nyo kailangan lumabas ha.
Chill on the wall, let them bash.
Sabi ko kayo.
Nasaan yung bomb squad?
Nasa northeast side yun sila. Kaya I had to go.
Pahanap na ako ng bomb squad.
Gagi, inuha ba yun?
Wait, there go.
Bomb squad.
Careful. Careful.
Yung ambulance, far northeast din.
You're ready, over the northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this one guy. Nice kill.
They're hitting.
Come back, wala pa. Chill. Chilling. Now they looking. Careful. Okay. Huwag kayo magpupanel dyan. Hit yung bomb squad dyan. Promise. Cross my heart. Careful ha, they might look. Ito na. Here, number 2, Lord. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, touch. Wait, you my boy. Matay mo na ako dito ah. Ako dito eh. Try to repair that wall guys. Try to repair that wall if you can. Left on the gate. Nakit ya. Okay. Step on the gate. Careful. Okay, ready.
Broken, wala.
Careful. Walag. Come southeast, guys. Come southeast. Okay, you chill. Come north now.
They're backing the other side.
Come north now. Nabasag na to, no? Come north. Ready, over the wall northeast now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, over the northeast now. Hit. Come back fast.
Direct north.
Yeah, come southeast now. On me.
Bakit ka nahihinit ng Castle Black Leopard?
Castle block ba yan?
Oo.
Careful, away from the wall. Okay, be on my south. Ready. Careful. Yo, ready. Careful. Bomb squad might hit.
Maangat na onti. Dito
Yo, careful. Bomb squad, nakikita ko na. Bomb squad ba to? Hindi. Yo, over the wall north. 5, 4, 3, 2, over the wall north now. Kamak na. Step on the front. Come. Come south. Just chill. Don't toast. Don't toast. Minamarkahan ko lahat ng engage na pwede kong mamarkahan. Again, they can engage on jug, so try to cleanse the jug stocks, okay? Careful. Keep hugging the wall. Don't get curious, guys. Don't overextend. Let them clear the guard.
May one shot sa likod nila.
Isang mabilis kaya nakikita. Yo, careful.
Engaging.
Yo, 5, 4, 3, 2, by the 3 now. Then go back fast now. Dip now. Nice. Guys, that's good. Kamak now. Yeah. Come okay. Come deep south. Run. Low. Sinabi ng south is natakbo na kayo ng opposite, diba? Is it basic, right? Okay, just hug here. Okay. One on Darkane, watch the bomb squad and watch their dami natin wanan, di ba? Isa lang bomb squad nakikita nyo, so dapat salit-salit yan, lahat ng hit nila na-i-stop. Kaya bating ka na, careful. Cleanse the jug, stop. You ready? Deep northeast now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, by the wall now. Hit the wall. Hit the wall. Ready? Dip now. Nice. Ilan na lang din nila? Hindi ko pwede.
TRG-828.
Confident ako.
Engaging.
You ready? Deep northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, deep northeast now. Deep northeast on me. Then come now. Come. Try to get up this guy. Nice. Kamak na. Away from the choke. Again, cleanse sa front. Cleanse sa front. Careful. They might Bomb shot might hit. You ready? Over the wall northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall northeast. Kill this two. Nice kill. Kamak now. Again, party 1 and party 2 full send only. First, okay? Look, careful. Yo, cleanse the choke. Stop the shit. Careful. They still might hit. You ready? Shallow northeast. 5, 4, 3. Okay, sit up now. Shallow northeast now. Okay, wala akong na-out dyan. Kamak na. Nagit na yung bounce card. Careful. Nagit na yung bounce card. Okay, mga 10 seconds. Yeah, they don't have engaged yet. Come out. Come south, come south, come south, come south. So 8 seconds, meron na. Come south, come south, come south. Eto, tono na clear yun. Isa na tayo. Easy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, please, kill the shit, kill the shit, kill the shit. Kamak na. You're ready, they might look. Hug the wall again, hug the wall again. Please, hug the wall again. Careful, hug the wall. Hug the wall again, guys. Don't give them opportunity. Oh my god. Ready. Over the wall northeast na. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito na nag-night armor na to. Patayin to. Kill this guy. Oh my god. Come back now.
Prepare the wall.
Maganda may eagle dito. Kamak na. Guys, don't let them hit the front, guys. Pwede pa kayo malis dyan. Safe na. Safe. Dito, you don't need to overextend there.
Nag-usi na sila. Dito sila.
Gigi, hayaan sila mag-OC. May na tayong 30, guys. Hold out tayo. Careful. Ready, look at the gate shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow northeast now. Yes. Nice it. Almost. Oh my god,
May
well.
northeast ano nila.
Kamak na. Maya tayo mag-OC, guys. 9 minutes you hold.
Wala sila sa southeast side. So, they need to be north.
Dugi na sa OC timer yan, ha? Yeah. Dugi na sa OC timer yan. Again, dugi na sa OC timer. Careful, ready? Shallow northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow northeast now. Careful, back ka sa southeast. Left nyo dyan. At the wall.
Prepare the wall. Dito.
Again, puro full send muna tayo. Puro full send. Front. Oh my god. Kamak na. Nagbibig na ako. Kamak na. Ready. Chill. Sino pinapatay nila dyan? Chill.
Dropping around.
Chill. Ready. Over the wall northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this D-tank. Kill this D-tank. Kill this two. Nice pick. Kamak na. Nice pick up.
Nakain biga ba, Vincent?
Careful. Hug the wall. Hug the wall now. Pag nag-engage tong main jerk nila. Pawatch nga pag nag-main. Nilalabas ko to. Pawatch ng bomb squad, ah.
Yeah. Bomb hitting.
Kaya ko ba dito?
Careful.
Nakit ng north.
Yung big. Dalawa ba yung
Dalawa.
Dalawa na. Bago na.
dito sa akin.
Dalawa yan.
Nagbago na pala. Careful. Ilabas ko, tapos mag-deep northeast, then go back. Careful. Tama na si Pang Bangkot now. Careful, don't go out yet. Careful, ready. Salot na gate in 5, 4, 3, 1. Salot na gate na. Hit this guy. Kill this guy. Kamak na. Dilog. Guys, def now. Di tayo pwede lumabas. Just hug the wall south. No need for you to get curious.
Umikot yung pan squad
Nasa northeast side dito. Right side.
Umiikot sila.
Sige, saan?
Dito sa...
Nandun natin.
South, north, ano?
May tingin sa'yo
You're ready over the wall natin sa may jog in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, over the wall natin na. Kamak na. Ready. Nice up. Kamak na. Guys, don't let them... huwag yung sila bigyan ng opening. Ayan na, hit. You're ready over the wall natin again in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and pull that now. Pull that now. Headbutt the shit.
Careful.
Nakahit na ng boss na.
Dalawa tayong RG nila, boss.
Isa lang yan eh.
Hindi, dalawa.
Dalawa yan, pero yung sinastop nila.
Pwede ibali isang ano lang yun. Nag-iwalay ng bomb squad na deep. Kasi kanina pa dalawang engages lang nakikita ako. Hindi naman nag-tatlo, di ba?
Dalawang campsite sila doon.
Kaya nga, pero dalawang bomb squad na nagsasabay.
bro,
Yun yung sinabi ko. Deep siya. Deep
Ayan sila.
Looking.
Yeah, ready. careful, careful, careful. Careful, careful. Ready, shallow, shallow na. 5, 4, 3, shallow. Pull them na, pull them na, pull them na, pull them na. Come back, come back, come back. 5 minutes more, OT na tayo. Ready, you go, sir. At the wall na.
Dalawa lang.
Oo, mamamatay sila to.
Ano yung bumaba sa kanila?
Sabi sa inyo, okay. Ay, siya alamat. Guys, mag-dawal lang kayo, guys. Ba't kayo napapatay ng bomb squad? Anong problema?
Lagi. Itong spot na to, lagi sila namamatay dito. Ulit-ulit. Stay away from the...
Guys, just hug the wall.
Dead body.
Hug the wall, guys. Hug the wall.
Ayun na, engaging
Yo, dep, dep. Dep, dep, dep. Ready, look at the gate. Shallow the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow the gate na, shallow the gate na. Kill this one, ditang kyo. Ready, ready. Kamak na, kamak pas, kamak pas, kamak pas. Kamak pas. Yo, yo, come south. Yo, south. Basag na. Click the gate now. Click the gate now. Let them in. Come south test muna, come south. 4 minutes VOC. Again, 4 minutes VOC. Careful.
Mas tighter yung chokes dito.
Careful. Mas madali rin silang uliyan pag ganyan. Come. Careful. Over the walls. Careful. 3 minutes VOC, okay? Careful. Pasabi, baka may bomb na ulit, ha? Go po. You ready? Hit the jug. North. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight north na. Okay. Ready. Kamak na. Kamak. Sige. Ayan sila mag-hit sa labas. Maybe 7 minutes natin in-hold yung first hit, guys. Kaya natin sila hold ulit dito ng 27 minutes. Dapat. With mages and all. Careful, guys. Mas mahirap tingnan to. Kala nyo lang over the wall pero high ground pero hirap tingnan ng nerd dito, guys. Huwag don't get curious. Hanapin nyo ako sa akon. Careful.
Sa north.
Careful. Get ready. Over the wall northeast nga. Over the wall northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall northeast na. Kamak na. Come. Again, we pull send always, okay? We pull send always. Hindi natin kailangan. Pawatch ako ng bomb squad. Naka-ready cleric to. Naka-ready yung ano ko. Yo, 100 watch na. Naglulook na. Nice hit bomb squad. Oh my god. Nice hit. Ready. Over the wall na this namin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow na. Nice hit bomb squad. Comeback. Nice hit. BS. Comeback. Nice. Comeback. Huy.
Incheck sila.
Comeback.
Flips
Yo. Comeback. Dep. Ready. Over the wall now. Wait. Over the wall 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alis ditang ka. Kill. Almost. 1 minute NBOC. Okay? Just chill.
Food is
Just chill. Yeah. Hug the tower. Give them space. Hirap na yan,
Huliin
guys.
ko yung bomb squad nila, Zoro. Tapos engage mo.
nahuli ko
Anong ano ba?
Yung rep leaves nila, sobrang dumidikit sa wall.
Kaya nga. Pwede.
Sabihan. I-soldier helmet ko na lang. Tapos engage mo.
Careful, ah. Baka naman
Replay.
You're ready. Over the wall northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall northeast. Hit the jug. Yo, careful. Dep now. Kamak na. Careful. 1 minute. Okay, wait. Just chill. Kailangan natin ng alawan.
Flip.
Oh, wala kayo ba sila?
Hindi, na sila.
Hindi. Nakapatay ba? Wala. Careful. Give them space, guys. 31 VOC, okay? Careful. Ilan minutes out nila? 20.
PC4.
Okay, okay. Just chill, just chill, just chill. You ready? Overdose Northeast now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Overdose Northeast now. Yo, yo, destacking. Dep now. Dep, 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 dep. Nice it. You ready? Chill. Just chill. Just chill, guys. Just chill. Just chill. Just chill. Rigger. Yo, careful, 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 careful. You ready? Hit the gate northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the gate northwest now. Hit the gate northwest now. Kill, 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 kill that guy. Never mind. Kamak na, kamak na. Okay, we killed one. You ready? Ready? Osin na, osin na, osin na. Osin na, osin na. Osin na, osin na, osin na. 4 minutes, magpupun tayo ah. Just chill, just chill. Careful, careful. Bawas ng ano. Kitang-kita pag may nag-miss walker rin na yun.
Bawas na yung game na nila.
You ready? Over the wall north now, straight north in 5, 4, 3, 2, over the wall, straight north, straight north, straight north, straight north. Kamak na, kamak na, kamak na. Kamak na, 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 kamak
Yo,
na.
why are you guys there? Alam, after yung namatay na dito natin sa loob nila.
Kamak na. Guys, give them space, guys.
Yung northwest mo,
You ready? Over the wall north is in 5, on the gate na, 3, 2, 1, hit the gate now, hit the gate now, hit the gate now. Hit the gate na, kamak 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 na. Away from the gate, away from the gate. Ilang percent yung gate?
They're going north.
Sige, hug the tower, hug the tower, hug the tower, hug the tower. Ilang percent yung gate? Just chill, last hit, then we push. You ready? Over the straight north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, straight north na, straight north na, straight north na, straight north na. Tempo southeast, tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo yan. May magpapatay yan, promise. Come. Ilan din nila? Oh.
D827.
Hindi sila nakaka-push guys. Hindi rin ako natuto na hindi sila nakaka-push. Kaya yung binabanatan. 33. Yo, careful. You ready on the gate now? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit the gate now, hit the gate now, hit the gate. Just hit the gate, just hit the gate, just hit the gate. Kill that fucking execute this guy, oh. Oh my god. Careful, careful, come back. Come back. Nice hit, nice hit. You ready? Careful, careful, careful. Careful, let them hit, let them farm, let them farm, let them farm. Okay, push check now, push check now, push check now. Push check now, push check now, push check now, push check now. Ready? Hit the gate now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, left now. Pull them now. Pull them. Headbutt. Everyone go. Fix the gate now. Five rolls. Go on, them rolls. Pwede ako makalabas.
Papasok.
Magad. Ready, straight. Wait, straight north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, mana. Straight north. Hit. Almost. Kamakpas. Kamakpas, guys. Come southeast now. Nice hit back. Come south.
Yeah.
Yo, careful. Yo, walk now. Full walking. Ready. 3, 2, 1, party to look shallow inside us now. Northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, party 1, this northeast now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, this northeast now. Hit this northeast. Then come back na. Kampas. Stabilize, right side you. Ready. Bankshot may hit. Careful.
Careful na yung replay.
Careful. Everyone, stay northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow inside us now. Everyone shallow inside us. Get inside us now. Come back now. Almost J-Pump died. Come back now, tower. Okay, never mind. Yo, come back. What's the first hit? Yo, bro inside you. Yo, bastard looking. Careful. Press southwest. Yo, walk now. Ready, straight north now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit now. Straight north. Deep straight north. Then come back now. Get us up front. Come back. Bro inside you. Just run. Bro inside you. Yo. Pull them now. watch out. Watch, push. Just push. Pushing. Ready, take northeast now. Big, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow inside now. Yes. They come back fast.
Careful,
Come back fast.
Ang dami namatay ito.
Kalaban niya.
Nag-hit off screen from the west side.
Where they going? Where you ready? Hold. Chill.
They're regrouping right now.
You ready? Nakikita niyo na stairs, Ben. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, kill this rat. Kill this rat. Consulted. Give this space again. Come. Come.
Trade mo ako sa tower.
Nakas yung backpack natin.
Nakas na? Walk tayo dito. Walk peace. Yeah, ready. Look at the choke notice now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dead now. Head back. Kamak na. Backfoot may head. Ang risky naman yung gawa nila.
Kung kanina pa ulit nag-take break.
Yes. Come. Bro. Come. Come tower. Give them space. Come tower, give them space. Come tower, give them space. Give them space.
Careful, may kailangan. Careful yung mga yan.
Moment. Yeah, careful. Just careful. Ready. Hold. Ready. Hit the jug in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the 2 jug. Okay, come back na. Come tower. Watch my northwest.
Yeah, they're looking from the northwest side.
Yo, watch my northwest. Again, watch my northwest. Step on the northwest. Just chill. Step on the northwest.
They can engage anytime.
Careful. Ready to advance, okay? Northwest, okay? Yo, dev. You ready? Over northwest now. Deep 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northwest. Come back na. Yo, almost like bakit. Yo. Pull them pa front. Yo, walking now. Walking. Spread out. Ready, pass. Spread out. Ready, inside us now. Wait, hold on. Look, shadow ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Head. Nice set now. Spread now. Something. Pull them now. Pull them now. Come tower. Still. Don't have Derek. You ready? Yo. On the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the choke na. Nice set. Come back fast. At the tower. Kidnapin nyo na to. Kidnap this guy. Kill this guy. Careful they're looking. Ready, them now. Pull them. Okay, walking now. Ready, pass. Walking. Straight out them na choke. Everything in the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the choke now. Walking now. Careful. Walk, careful. Spread. Walking now. Walking. Try to hold them. Birds. Ready. Kill this golem after neto. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this guy. Patay ito isang golem.
Grip.
Oh my god. Gusto ko. Pag ako nakatulungan ng one shot dun dahil hindi kayo tumubunod.
Protect na.
Yo, kill this bedrock. Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill. Yeah, go. Try to catch them. Where they at? Come north. Mount up. Look for lows, look for daga. Tinutok.
One running here.
Yo, catch all the dismounted guys, okay? Try to look for dismounted guys. Yo, catch this guy, catch this fucking rats guys, catch the fucking rats.